We're here at Kontoret Stortorget 3 in Gamla Stan, Stockholm, Sweden. We have a classic European lift, and it's innerdoorless. It is a PH lift. I think that's what that is. I saw these same buttons on a Hissmekano, and it makes it remind me of KONE M buttons though. Up to 4. Just like the Hissmekano, I found those buttons no safety either. Controller's been replaced. Here are 4. Back down the ground. It's an interesting, like wooden, bead wooden tab. Shakes and squeaks a lot. Here back at ground. And that's going to be it.